In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize, edit, and delete files in Hubspot. Whether you're new to using Hubspot or just looking to streamline your current processes, these steps will guide you in managing your files efficiently. To get started first, you'll want to navigate to the Hubspot homepage. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in the Hubspot URL, or click the link in the video description below if that's easier. Once you're on the Hubspot homepage, you'll see a login button in the top corner. Click on that and it will take you to the login page where you can enter your credentials. If you haven't already logged into your account, go ahead and do so now to access your Hubspot dashboard. After logging in successfully, you'll find yourself at the Hubspot home screen. Now look for the Library tab in the navigation menu. Clicking on Library will take you directly to where all your files are stored. Within the Library section, you should see an option labelled Files. Click on that to view your list of stored files. Now, in the Files section, you'll see a variety of files along with their details. It's important to know how to rearrange them efficiently to keep things organized. In order to move a file, look for an Actions button on the page. It's often located near the top or side of your file list. Click on Actions Gagyu and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, select Move to begin reorganizing your files. After you click Move, you'll want to highlight the file or files you wish to relocate. Click and drag or simply select them. This highlights the files ready for movement. Once highlighted, choose your target folder or location within Hubspot where you'd like to place these files. Moving files to a designated folder can significantly improve your workflow by keeping everything structured just the way you need it. Direct your attention back to the Actions menu if you need to remove any files. With a file selected, click on Delete from the drop-down menu. This action prompts Hubspot to ask for confirmation to move the file to trash. If you're sure about deleting, go ahead and confirm by pressing Delete Folder and move files to trash. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've learned how to effectively organize, edit, and delete files within Hubspot. Taking the time to consistently manage your files can save you a lot of time and hassle down the road. Be sure to check out other tutorials and resources to get the most out of your Hubspot experience. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.